Hi, I'm Carolyn, and today I'm going to show you how to preserve your hot peppers. So the first thing we'll want to do when dealing with hot peppers is put on some gloves, because if you ever rubbed your eyes after touching hot peppers, that's why. So we're going to start with our hot peppers. I already went ahead and washed them. And I'm going to start with the green ones, and I'm just going to chop them. If you don't want them too hot, you can core the hot pepper seeds out. They always make them a little hotter, but I don't mind them being a little hot. So I'm going to just go ahead and put them right in this bowl. I'm going to keep them a little separated. I guess you could put goggles on if you're worried about the hot peppers hitting your eyes as well. If there's a spot, just pull that out. So now let's go ahead and cut some of the red ones. And these are fresh picked, but you can go to your farmer's market and pick up some hot peppers if you'd like. They're nice to have all year round. You can also just roast your hot peppers, like we did our red peppers. And you can put them in the freezer roasted. After you've roasted them, you can peel them and pop them in the freezer. Or if you want, you can put them in the refrigerator with a little olive oil and garlic, and they would last about a month like that. We're going to take a colander, and we're just going to add actually, I'm going to add a spoon because I'm going to separate the two peppers. So I'm going to put a spoon at the bottom, and then I'm going to add a tea towel or kitchen towel, cheesecloth, something to be a barrier between the colander and to help absorb. And then I'm going to take the red peppers and put them on one side, and then the green peppers on the other. Add a little more salt to each. And then when I have it all filled, I'll just go ahead and pop it over. And I will take, let's see if a plate will work, to help press down. We're going to squeeze that water out. So I'm just going to use a couple half gallons of water. And that's what we'll do. We'll leave that set overnight. Now you will want to put something underneath the strainer, the colander, because water will be extracted, or you could place it in the sink overnight. So we'll let that set for 24 hours, and then we'll be back tomorrow. And we're back. 24 hours has passed, and our hot peppers have been underneath this water in this colander. Let's see, the colander was lined with a tea towel or kitchen towel, and it is soaked from pulling all that liquid out of our peppers. This is just drenched. So anyway, now it's time to fill our jars, fill them up with olive oil. So let's go ahead and just fill our jars. Can't believe how that rag, that kitchen towel is just soaked. So I'm going to try to do some in green and some in red. Maybe this one I'll do a little mix, because I had one pepper that wasn't really red and one wasn't really green either. So we're just filling it to the bottom, that bottom rim too. All right. So let's move this off to the side. Do have a little liquid here. And then we just use extra virgin olive oil. And we're going to fill the jars right up to that line. We want to make sure all our peppers are submerged. So we can Now, you'll want to use the olive oil. These peppers will be ready when the oil itself turns a little color. So the red ones will turn a little hint of red, the oil, and the greens will turn a little green. Probably about 3 weeks to a month, they'll be ready to use. And then when you're using your oil or your peppers, or your oil and peppers, just remember to add a little additional oil to keep those peppers covered. So we're just going to wipe the rims of these and the sides. And again, make sure all of them are covered. Might add a little bit more into a couple of these. I see a little poke. Some of the peppers are poking out, so I want to make sure they're filled all the way. Just going to wipe the rims with a nice clean rag or paper towel. I think I got this one already, but we'll wipe it again. All right, let me get just a little bit more olive oil, and I'm going to try it in the measuring cup like I was telling you. So, just want to make sure all the peppers are covered. That looks much better. Okay. Again with my rag a little bit. This one has a little bit more showing. I'm just wiping right along the edge, right along the top. This is going to be delicious, and this will last. We don't have to can this pepper. This will last in your cabinet for up to a year until next year's peppers come in. Just remember to add that olive oil. So we're just going to take our lid, a nice clean fresh lid, and we're going to pop it right on. And wouldn't these be a beautiful gift for somebody for Christmas? You have a teacher that you are so grateful for, or a relative, mailman. We're just going to hand tighten those. And they're ready to go. Thank you for joining me for this segment. And if you liked it, you can leave a comment. If you have any questions, you can ask their question. I ask you to just, maybe you want to subscribe to our Facebook page and check out other videos on our YouTube channel. Thanks so much and have a great day.